Transform your home into a festive wonderland with bright and chic indoor Christmas decor. This year, embrace the magic of the season with designs that bring warmth, elegance, and a touch of sparkle to every corner of your home. Start with your living room, the heart of holiday gatherings. Opt for a Christmas tree adorned with twinkling fairy lights, metallic ornaments, and delicate ribbons in shades of gold, silver, and white. Complement the look with cozy, oversized cushions and soft throws in festive hues. Elevate your dining space with a sophisticated table arrangement. Use a crisp white tablecloth as a base, layered with glittering runners. Add centerpieces made of candles, pine cones, and faux snow for a magical effect. Use elegant dinnerware and tie napkins with satin ribbons to complete the look. Don't forget smaller details. Drape fairy lights along staircases, hang mistletoe above doorways, and place scented candles in strategic spots to enhance the ambiance. Incorporate stylish accents like glass vases filled with baubles or a chic Christmas wreath on your wall.